know, say me not plan, but me let it out. You know, say me not plan to kiss you like Madonna this year on the stage.
What?
Eating thing like what? Like me? Look at my teeth, my clean teeth.
In fans might not believe, but if it make me get grief, I might expose the picture of us. Come.
Oh my God. Over.
All right, welcome to the social media countdown. All right. The time down in the... All right, I'm going to know no more. That is it. I'm going to able for the copyright. Box cover, this is DuttyBerry, and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. We are slow, well, not really slowly, you know. We are making our way to Christmas Day. Can you believe it? We almost reached the end of 2023. We are about to enter 2024. How many more countdowns do I need to give you now? Come and see someone in the comments when I ask me for the end of year social media countdown review. So y'all have given me my homework, and so let's just see how I'm feeling. I'm going to try to deliver it to you. But what I can give to you right now is this week's top 10 social media countdown. Let's get right into it.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Queenie and Amari link up. Me TikTok. Okay, burritos, no. This is something I did not see coming. But you know, it is not really a surprise because it is that time of year when artists tend to, you know, bring little feud or them tend to reunite because we're all in this together like High School Musical. And that was the case for dancehall artist and social media personality Amari. No, you don't know what happened last time, you know, at Sting. Yeah, they were having their clash and it never did go too nice. So the two of them they have odds, and so I was thinking say they're very much enemies. But it looked like say RT Boss, you know, has brought the two together, and this is how it transpired when they went on a recent live.
This is Amari Jesus Christ, God Almighty, the Lord is my light and my son. I mean, are you this Mary? Amari, this is history. You know, for when I talk to you on the camera face to face. I want to hug you. I want to hug you.
Queenie! I love you!
I got goose people. Amari!
Oh my God!
Ow. No,
I love you, girl.
I love you too, Mary. I love my
family. Powers!
Mary!
In the blood.
Jesus Christ, man, I'm cool, Bob. Amari, what, Mom?
Oh my God, Queenie. Queenie, if you ever know how much me did want to take off your panty pants thing. Girl, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Girl, you so strong.
Thank you, Amari. Don't make me cry. Amari, I wanted to hug you that day.
I wanted to hug you when you say I love you.
Jeez, Pima, no, honestly, me never see this coming. Boy, oh boy, Queenie is very forgiving, and Amari, she's a personality. You have to just understand when Amari in a character, you have to just let her be. And so she said so many different things, talked about how she did all a plan for if them did invite her to Sting this year that she would have tried to go and kiss Queenie.
You know, say me not plan, but me let it out. You know, say me not plan to kiss you like Madonna this year on the stage.
What?
Yeah, that was my plan. I don't know if we still can do it or what. But you know, some would have to go get enough mouthwash, make sure me get my mouth clean, and make sure me test them up to date and everything. I was gonna kiss you on stage and mash up the whole place.
Oh my God!
Yeah, but I would love to repeat what
you
Madonna
me a kiss.
what Madonna and what Britney did. I would love to repeat it in Jamaica in the dancehall industry.
Oh, that's crazy. So you owe me a kiss then, Amari.
I know it would be a fabulous kiss. I know that. And you are the only person I'm willing to kiss. Tongue back and all.
What?
Because Janice, I've seen your pussy.
On top of that, now talk about her own childhood and how she never feel love. And just so many things were happening in this conversation. And so I don't know if we can probably see the two of them hang out now. Maybe they will do a collab together. But this might actually be very good for business. So let me know, burritos, what do you make of Amari and Queenie reuniting? Sound off below. Number 9, foreign drift. Alright, so I don't know if you want to see this video, no man, but it had the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Kamina Johnson Smith, and she did a show off all of her skills them that she has been hiding from us, the public. Take a look. No, honestly, I am very, very shocked. Me very, very shocked because you know when you see Kamina, she always have a like a button-up type of Liberian type of approach. Like say she and Favor did go to school and them always, you know, behave and get A+ and them never use to school and them look something there like, you know, them look well-behaved school girl where have them skirt all the way down to them ankle bone and touch all them foot back. Them type of behavior there. Some did say Kamina, but for see her let herself, you know, little loose like this, me I fear wonder, me I say, my time, Cause right about now, you know, me I fear wonder if Spice did forgot invite Kamina or somewhere. Maybe Kamina have other talents up her bone we don't really know about. But me like how she'll bring some class to the movement. I can tell so she's classically trained based on Wagwan, and apparently it is being confirmed because, you know, many people after the video went viral, you know, started to share that she actually has a whole history, a whole background in entertainment, performance. So she's traveled, so you know, so she can speak all 60 million different languages, but she actually has dance background, represented Jamaica, all of these things. So boy oh boy, I think at this point in time we might need to start dancing with the dancing politics. That is it. Andrew Holness, you're up next. But oh, by the way, why me I go so quick? Me also see a video with another politician, and this is Juliet Holness. You know, so she's a new Speaker of the House, the wife to the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, and so she, you know, show off some moves. So I do not know if it is just because of election season why we are saying all of this, but you know, Kamina, you know, she deal with Freya like something because a lot of people have been very critical of her and how she's been handling herself in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So she have her own little judgment, but at least for now, this bit of dancing will give you a little pause, okay? Number 8, Ishi status. Alright, now, so you know, so the equal rights singer Ishana has been laying low at Ishana style. Like she pop in, she pop out, and she just mind her business, drink her water. And when you see her, she's always looking good. And this was the case after Ishana popped up on social media wearing this daring number, and it's a two-piece outfit, and it had the text porn star. Just take a look. This is why Ishana, she's definitely the rebel of dancehall. Like honestly, like she's going to push the boundary. She's a dancehall pop star. Like right about now, I think Ishana is supposed to stay in Jamaica because she give it like early 2000s daring pop superstar type of edginess. And then look at something there Ishana try to bring to Jamaica. And so of course she went on stage to do her things and people still like her. And it's so funny that now in 2023, equal rights is just If she drop equal rights now, me not think it would have had the impact on the culture, you know, like when she did it back then, because people them down the pace and name things like. Alright, we just keep it cute and keep it PG, because I know the local church people them watch a video them too, and you know some of the time them hear so we don't want to comment, but you know the little things are how it little go, you can't make the people them at church know say you're taking the little ray and the little war and the little mix up them so may understand. But at least if you can't comment, just subscribe in the middle of the night and nobody now look on you. Or, you know, just watch out the ads them, watch the little ads them when you have the time and come understand the level, so we see each other, alright? So, yeah. Let me know how much water you're giving Aishana's outfit. Sound off below.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Number 7, Sheen Twin Zen. Alright, readers know. So I don't know if you know about the popular fast fashion website by the name of Sheen or whatever you want to pronounce. Sheen by Sheree, whatever it is. The place where you can go and get the clothes them cheap. Only for the girl them, the little IG dolly them. That is where them go for get the little cheap and clean. You know, everyday beats. But them also, you know, have clothes there, fashion there for the man them as well. And so the men have been running on it because, you know, you get the thing them cheap and you can go out and you just look like, say, you put everything together yourself, right? And so recently, this brother by the name of, what's his name? His name is Vybz Kartel. He posted on X this tweet that said, "I'm fighting if me and an next man wear the same Sheen clothes go Republic Beach." And people, you see, just like how them say, be careful of the things them where you put out into the universe. Can you believe that is exactly what happened? So he followed up, you know, with a follow-up tweet that said, "People, why me and an next man in the same clothes?" And so many people online were like, maybe a little joking. This is not serious. You need to go and prove it. And prove it, he did. Oh my God, man, G's on peeve. And so luckily, both of the man, them never really take it too serious. Them just laugh after the matter. They pose for a picture together. And that is just that. And so since then, many other people have been asking for the hookup. Many other people have been posting the outfit because apparently this look like, said the outfit where all of the man them see. I said this look very festive for the Christmas season. But you know, honestly, I'm not going to really like not them, you know, because I just saw it happen. But you have to just know that when you're going on these sites, this have to be everyday wear. When you run Devon house, you have to look at errands, you know, like you run you know, some little something. You don't really do this when you got them big popular event there, because I did that once. Me go up and book man one time and then there another place, one store where me made the mistake and I ran down to Fierce by Dre. Yeah man, went down to Fierce by Dre. I'm gonna catch a shirt, man. I one of them store them and I think it was with a Playboy shirt. They're sitting right there, so. And I wear it go somewhere. And when I tell you, you know, and I think it was all in our papa, I think I did something I keep up a mass camp. I see when I step in, me and the whole of the Alpha Tree Limelight youth, them each up down a bus park and they round like they then just pass then CXC. About 5 hours in I see them shirt in the one area. Shame kill me. And you know what hurt? Is that me in a shirt like a goatee shirt and them some of them have the shirt like a just everyday little mega bun 2 week. Yeah. Shame. So my readers, just be careful when you're buying on these fast fashion sites. So down below if this has ever happened to you. Number 6, 450 versus Fan. Alright, so dancehall artist 450 recently performed part of the BRT event. And so while there, you know, so 450 is for the ladies. So him dip on stage now and it look like so the connection where him have with some of him fans them is so much that them decide so they need to go and taste a little bit of the 3 digits. Oh my God, no, the girl properly take him finger and take it and just do it like one little overall cavity check, you know. Mighty God, no, honestly, the power that it must have to be a star where you know you can't have them type of presence here over a woman in the audience. Like she's just so enamored by you that when she see you, in her mind, she's just like, yeah, if him push him finger in my mouth, me I go take it and turn like my personal soda. I saw me committed to the artist here. Like, this is just like amazing. I can only imagine the type of stories that some of these artists have when they go on tour. Like, short stories to last a lifetime. And you know, so he even brought up the fan on stage, and this is how it went. And these messy people in the comments were just like, it's good thing say a 450 should try this with a Nigeria because y'all are messy fans. But anyway, burritos, let me know, is there any artist in the world that you would probably risk it all for? Sound off below.
And now it is time for the big up segment.
Alright, so on the big up segment, I have to go and big up 18-year-old athlete Jaden Hibbert on walking away with the prestigious Bowerman Award.
So, the winner of the Bowerman is
forward to another episode of the list. Yeah, man, definitely took a break, but now I'm going to show to y'all what I consider like the best Jamaican Christmas song. So, I know I have full ideas there, but I know I have some of the things that when I say, yeah, man, I hope this step on the list. So look forward to this video. It definitely will be dropping. I'm going to drop it by Thursday. So Thursday morning, it will be there for Uno. All right, so get ready for that. Number 5, Clouds Falling. No, this, can I say, me please believe it or not, because I'm not really sure about this. So there was a clip that began making the rounds on TikTok, that's where I saw it, where people, you know, were speculating and hypothesizing, as the word go, that apparently there was a cloud that fell.
Cloudfall from sky in Maypen, Clarendon.
Good gosh, man.
Man.
Yes,
Yes, sir, this is a sign. What's there? Look at that. Eh? Sign. Hey, what's there? What's there, man?
Lucky, me know a sign a shop there. But they no ring back me phone. Me say, me I tell Lucky say me know say you're in a shop there. You don't see how much time here. You don't see how much time here. You heavy rain them come down, so me just give them out. Me no let them out here.
See there? You know what's they may think I come from in Jamaica. Look there.
No, honestly, this honestly can't read, but you know, so I see me did that one, I said maybe it goes off it true, but I was still a little bit kind of iffy. I never did commit to it, and so many other people started to post some follow-up videos, and when I look on the video, then I say, wait, This one look like a dishwashing liquid, little subsod. Not little, I want little practice.
Wow, could I send them all the puff in the no? And it drop back.
So yet again, you cannot trust everything on social media, especially this after the anti them, you know, the anti them and the moms them and the big man them send fierce and all that little conspiracy theories them on WhatsApp. Sometime and everything will look like so means say is exactly so. Okay? Why? Number 4, Kai Cenat Caribbean. Alright, now, so I don't know if you know this popular social media personality streamer by the name of Kai Cenat. He recently welcomed Nicki Minaj, yes, the Nicki Minaj rap queen and all of these things, to appear on his live because, of course, she's promoting her latest album, Pink Friday 2. So, you know, she come on the live, she a dance up a storm, them a vibe, a bunch of things. But, you know, so this is a social media countdown, so we have to go talk about the Caribbean connection. And so this is a part of the video that definitely got me cheesing. Take a look.
My fault. It just got. Excuse me. I know. It just took over. I'm sorry. And take the glass off of the thing if you're gonna be banging and give Kai a hug. You didn't even hear me, Kai. Kai, what the hell was that? No, cause I be wildin'. I used to be in the backyard parties going crazy, Jamaican music, everybody flying. And you used to be saying every man to one blood clot. Every man to a blood clot, yeah, yes. Every man to a blood clot, yeah, yes.
So all in all, it's just good to see that, boy, Caribbean people are all over the place, and anywhere excellence there, we are going to itch up right beside it. So let me know, Burritos, it's the first year I hear about Kai, what you thought of Nicki's album, Pink Friday 2. Number 3, DeMarco Vs Renee 630. You know, I'm not gonna really jump down into every single crevice of this story, but basically, dancehall artist DeMarco, he recently went live to, I guess, talk about Renee 630 in a very disparaging manner because he didn't really like, you know, some of the sentiments that she was sharing.
Renee, remember, you know, a bush artist, a fuck you, a bush in a 7 Thomas, you know, don't do it. Don't go like a one style bun up. Don't. Bush. We have the receipt them. Renee, don't do it. I will out you. And my people them pay for your body. And I know you can't pay them back. I know you can't pay them back and your body spoiled. You see you going back to a fat shit. Pay back the people them for them body where them pay for you get done. Don't make me have to... Renee.
And so shortly after, Renee decided to share her 2 cents now. So she went on The Fix. And this is a bit of what she shared.
I want to unchy squinchy little body DeMarco. I mean, really, I come stop with? Man, I look. Can't believe a badness fat Alberta push. And all you can't diss the man who broke your foot. The day me poop it tail in your face, me shoulda poop. You lucky, no one pay surprise. Say a girl make you dopey. You easy to catch, remember say you love your belly.
So all in all, you know, it is thing time. So everybody is trying to jump in the whole battle, the versus, the controversy. Like, I just, it a dominate right now. And so one of the biggest things is that Renee go share says she and DeMarco were actually involved in a romantic relationship. So they did do the things and all kind of stuff. And she is saying that him, you know. Right now.
I'm gonna open up my phone.
Show me picture right now.
I'm showing this.
Show me picture.
When I she said me not lie, you know, me not tell lie, you know. Cause me my lyrics must say, in fans might not believe, but if he make me get grief, I might expose the picture was come.
Oh my God.
Who first one? Me want to see first.
The line up that's so.
Hello, Nara, come. Boom.
Why you have that photo still? Why you have that photo still? Why? You're waiting on it. You're waiting for this opportune moment.
That could have been anybody. You see me that?
I know
him alone look like Big Joe.
What, you know, the little bleach out. Remember, say them Dan, they used to bleach out him ear up at the top. You know, see it a while ago? Come like, you know, see it. The man that right there. So, I do the things them. Remember, I'm hungry and him love him belly. Him love Caves.
Honestly, this is between them two people here, and I do not know why I'm in for them chat. So, all the best to the two of them, yeah? Boy. Number 2, Arthur dance. Alright, burritos know, like, honestly, like, each week at the countdown, they come like, me have a new dance we're going to talk to about. So, you know, Arthur, he is a TikTok personality, social media personality, and he is the conceptualizer of the new online series by the name of Rankers. You can go check it out now, because it have all the top rankers, them in there, Ramesh, everybody, Raja, really the name again, Rosalie, everybody, Swiss Lee, World Dog, everybody who they on TikTok have a piece in that YouTube series. But that's besides the point now. When he was there with Daima, I take the middle and a dance, and this is how it went.
Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Mama come in my room and me fly away John. Me say come dash. I me say come dash. I me say come. Mama queen to the panel left hand side. Skin out, mother get wild all night. Now run boom flip on your head don't slide.
And so right after that, no, I guess people like the dance what Arthur did that do, and I talk about the waistline and all kind of things because like the whole of that movie, it was very catchy, and so of course it went viral and other people started to do it as well. I say, yes, but I really feel 200 right now. I can't commit to doing all of the dance, but I said a little piece of me just do a while ago. But right now, I just want to go and go pull up back the part and try the dance, okay? But you have to have the part here. If I not need, you have to have the little part here. The waist, you have to grease it little. The waist, you know? So not just the wine not the sorry. And just the wine at the Christmas cake. You have to have the wine right there. So, oh God, I'm really tired for you. Come back, I hurt me. Jesus. Anyway, I'm so reach number 1. And number 1 goes to Kartel update. My word, my sentence, not me forgetting. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number 1 goes to Kartel's update. You know, so Kartel has been in prison for quite a while now, but one thing he's going to do is to just update it every now and again with some new pictures. And so before I show on the current pictures, let me just go give you a little walkthrough of some of the pictures that we have seen over the years. Alright, let's see that now. So it is Christmas season, a time for family and togetherness. And so Kartel has, he made several posts on his Instagram showing pictures with the family and his grandson. And what was very, I guess, touching to many of his supporters is that he revealed that he hasn't seen his kids since 2016. So a lot would have transpired, a lot of things would have happened. And so it's just very nice to see that he's able to have this moment. So he shared a picture with the caption, almost a decade, me G, one of the best days ever at Little Addy. Another one said Little Vybz UTG, it was a double vibes. Hashtag Vybz Kartel and Little Vybz. So in this picture with his grandson, this was the caption, words can't explain how I feel in this picture. It's just a speechless feeling. My grandson and I, historic moment. Whoa, 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 whoa. And so he also posted a picture with his daughter-in-law and his fiance. And wife is fiance, but what was so funny is that Kartel posted the picture with him and his woman with a Beyonce song. One long time Beyonce song, Dangerously in Love. Like the idea that Kartel in a prison and he will listen to the Beyonce Dangerously in Love is like, yeah man, at least I can't say Kartel don't know true. But what got many people concerned and talking was his new appearance. So many people, you know, of course, wouldn't have seen Kartel in quite some months. And so seeing this picture with his face definitely looking a lot different, a lot puffier, definitely did draw some very interesting comments. So many people were just like, he need to come out because them not treat him good. What is Sagwan? They were talking about why is he still bleaching? All of these things, you know, that was dominating the entire comment section across all of the social media, them, whether it be on Main Dangers, Tropics, or just on Twitter. And so if you don't know, Kartel actually has been having a lot of health complications. You know, there's been talks about a grave disease, and you know what tends to happen. You know, the puffiness in the face, that's all a part of it. Even Wendy Williams, she actually does suffer from that as well. And so I guess in the midst of this, Kartel didn't really like the public's reaction. So he took to his Twitter, and this is what he shared. I hope I can't tell Twitter this now. Let me just say allegedly, just in case. He said, stop spreading bullshit across the internet. Yes, the pictures are real. Graves' disease. Look it up and educate your bad mind self. Well, what is more to say after that? You heard it from Vybz Kartel himself. Well, Burritos, I don't know. Like, just let me know what you thought of Kartel's pictures. What do you think of his new look? About just him meeting up with his family like this? Sound off below. Well, that is it. We've come to the end of yet another social media countdown. I know you like the video, so just do the right thing and to hit the thumbs up button. Yeah, man, like up the video as well as to leave a comment down below. I appreciate the comments them. All if I just one full stop on that though, left the comments them, cause so the video get for push on all of these things. Once you have done so, make sure to say subscribe if for the first time you stop by. Subscribe still, heading to the 300 subscriber mark. Once you have done that, follow me across my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown and to book me for whatever appearance, etc., etc., shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. I don't know if you're not going to see me before Christmas, but I'm going to try for soon for giving you the social media countdown here in review. So take care, enjoy yourself, stay safe, eat good food and all of these things. Call on a family, a loved one, get rid of all of the stress them not really about right now. Just we're all a pre-enjoyment because we have to just center ourselves, do the little reflection, then work by yourself so that you can step into 2024 feeling very energized and reinvigorated and just with a different outlook, you know? That is my wish for this season. All right, big up all of the moms them and big up all of the thugs them as well and everybody who support because, yeah. Oh, and also, well, anyway, take care, y'all. Ta-ta.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.